In this video, I'll be solving your biggest problem, losing leads to faster competitors. I'll show you the full AI prompt that I use for free for my AI voice agent, the full Go High Level setup, and the full retail AI setup so you can build an AI voice agent for yourself. Now, I'll also show you how to connect Simpana connector, which means that you won't have to do this coding by yourself, and you can easily link Go High Level to retail and build your AI voice agent. All this will be copy paste ready. You can start building this for your business immediately. So by the end of the video, you should be able to build this for yourself. Oh, and by the way, if you don't know, my name is Enzo. I help home service companies make more money with AI online. So if that's something you like, sub to the channel. But this video will definitely be valuable for you. So let's get right into it. All right, so as I said, I'll be showing you how to beat every single competitor to the lead using the voice AI speed to lead system as I introduced earlier, which will take you 47 seconds to win every single job. So here's how the lead race goes. While you're checking emails, your competitors already booked the job. This is you. You see the form 2 to 4 hours later, call back the next day, and then they say, "Oh, I already found someone." That's what the customer says. And you go on to the next. You already lost that lead. And by lead, what I really mean is $5,000 to $15,000 if you're selling high ticket jobs. Now let's take a look at your competitor. They call in 5 minutes every single lead. They book the jobs instantly, and then the customer feels valued because they were so fast and they literally picked up the phone and called them in less than 60 seconds. All right. And they end up winning that $5,000 to $10,000 job. Meanwhile, you just lost that job. Now, if you do that for multiple leads, you can do the math. That's tens of thousands of dollars that you lost every single month. So, first step, the lead submits the form. After that, your competitor calls them literally 5 seconds after, and in 2 minutes and 47 seconds, who haven't even done anything yet, you lost a lead because this is when you call. Meanwhile, the competitor already reached out to them. And on top of that, the data doesn't lie. Okay, 78% actually book with the first responder that actually calls the lead. They're 10 times more likely to convert under 5 minutes of response time. And you're looking at 45% versus 8% of a conversion rate. Okay, 45% is less than a minute, and over an hour, you get an 8% conversion rate. And this graph pretty much illustrates how important that actually is, right? You can see here, the more you wait, the lower your conversion rate actually gets. Lowest being 5% here. So that's why I came up with the AI speed to lead system, which allows every single lead that fills a form to have your AI custom voice agent call them in less than 47 seconds. All right. And it's very, very simple. It answers 24/7, nights, weekends, holidays. It doesn't take breaks. It qualifies the lead automatically. It provides an instant quote. It books your appointment directly into your calendar. It then sends confirmation and email. And this is how the whole workflow goes. Form, 47-second, AI calls, qualifies, books, confirmed. It's that simple. Now, I've separated the system in three different parts so it's easy to build. The first one will be Go High Level that you can set up easily. I'll show you in a little bit how to do that. So it's going to capture the lead, form builder. You can create pipelines in there, and you can create automated workflows, so automations. Simpana is what we're going to use as a no-code connector. Most people use end-to-end and they have to try and code it out themselves, and they don't know how to code because they're not technical. And then they end up spending thousands of dollars, maybe hiring an Indian overseas who doesn't know what he's doing, and paying a couple $1,000s here and there. But the real solution is using a no-code connector. That way, you can easily set it up for yourself. So it connects to Go High Level and to Retail AI. It links to both of them. It uses a webhook sync, and there is zero coding required. That's why this is so good. And the last step, where you will actually be building the voice AI agent, is connecting Retail AI, which is a natural voice call, has real conversation, and uses phone based booking. Okay, so let's start with step one here. High level, set up your lead capture, pipeline, and automation. First, what we're going to do here is we're going to create a form, then we're going to build the pipeline, and then we're going to set up the workflow. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that. So we're going to go inside of Go High Level over here. I'm inside of the form section. You're going to create a test form like I did just now. You're going to do this, add a form, and you're going to start from scratch. All right. So we're just going to use the one that I already created. This is what the editor looks like if you've never used Go High Level. Okay, you can add these different custom fields, right? Anyways, once you're done building the custom form, so with the first name, phone number, city, service requested, and these two check boxes, very important. Make sure that these are here for compliance. You don't want to call random people who haven't even, complied to actually getting those AI calls from you. Then you're gonna hit save. Okay, you're saving that, boom, go back, and now we're gonna test this form. So what happens is after I'm done filling out this form, I should be receiving an instant call from the AI sales rep. All right, so we're just gonna test it out and see if it actually works. I'm just gonna put a random city. Let's say I'm requesting permanent lighting services, and I will check these two boxes. Now I'm going to hit submit, and I will show you my phone so you can see the ring. All right, there it is. Right, that was like what, like 15 seconds maybe. So I'm just gonna pick up the phone, and then you can just listen to it.
Hi, this is Crystal Lights, calling about your interest in permanent outdoor lighting. Did I catch you at a good time?
Hi, yes, you did catch me at a good time. I was just wondering if I could get a quote for my house for my lighting project.
Absolutely, I can help with that. Just to confirm, are you looking for lighting for your home?
Yeah, I am.
Great. Is this for the front of the house or the whole home?
Just the front, please.
Thank you. Are you located in the Lower Mainland?
Yes, I am.
Perfect. When were you thinking of getting the lights installed?
Yeah, I just wanted a quick quote. How much would it cost me?
Great question. Our permanent LED lighting typically ranges between $24 and $28 per linear foot, depending on house height, roof layout, and number of corners. That includes the lights, aluminum tracks, controller, full installation.
Okay, but you guys get the point though, right? So it gives you the quote, and then after that, it's gonna ask for your address. If it sees that you show interest, you're gonna get booked to a calendar. Then that's it. Super, super easy to set up. All right. So that's it for that part. Now, moving on, you're gonna want to set up the pipeline inside of, again, Go High Level, but here it's gonna be inside of opportunities. And then you're going to create a pipeline. Okay. So we're gonna go over here. This is where we have our pipelines. You're gonna hit create pipeline, and you're going to use these right here. Okay, so new lead, AI call, qualified, and book. These are the tags that you're going to use for the pipeline that you create. So I'm not going to create it because I already did. Mine is over here, and this is what it should look like. After you create it, you'll have new lead, AI call, qualified, book. So every single time these stages move, the contact is going to move throughout these stages, and the AI will handle everything for you. So it just keeps you organized in the back end when you're using your CRM. The last thing is you're going to want to build this workflow again inside of Go High Level. So this is just to connect your CRM to Retail AI, where you actually build the AI sales rep. So you'll have the trigger, which is when you submit a form like we did earlier, or it could also be a Facebook lead form for when somebody sees your ad and they fill out the details to request a quote. After they get that form filled out, you're gonna wait a little bit here. Okay, this step is important. So you have to add a window here. For example, here it's from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., which is your business hours. So whatever your business hours are, you have to add it here because this makes sure that it's compliant. You cannot call people outside of business hours. You will get sued. All right. So make sure that you put your business working hours so your AI sales rep can only call within that time period. And then the last action here is a place call action. So you're going to select whichever voice agent you want to use, and you're going to put it over here to place the actual call. So that's it for the workflow. Now, once you've done setting up your whole high level completely, now you're going to set up the Simpana connector, which is actually an integration inside of Go High Level that you can just easily download, right? So you're going to install the Simpana app. You're going to connect your retail AI account using an API key. and then you're going to map the fields and copy the webhook URL. I'm pretty sure this part you don't have to do this because Simpana does that automatically in the background. So you're just gonna have to map the fields when you do the setup. So again, I'm just gonna show you how to do that quickly here. So right now we're inside of the marketplace for Go level. So you're gonna search up Simpana over here, Simpana connector, and you're gonna click here, select one of these. Now, once you're done installing it, if you scroll down, you will see it at the bottom over here. You're gonna click on here, Simpana. You're gonna choose Retail AI because that's what we're working here. That's what we're working with today. As you can see, my API key is already connected, but it's not gonna be connected, so it's gonna ask you. So you're gonna go in settings and you're gonna click here. Okay, this is where you're gonna connect your API key. You simply paste it over here. All right, very, very straightforward. Now you connected your API key from Retail AI. Now you actually need to add your AI voice agent to Go level. So you're gonna click on here, add your first connection. You'll put a connection name. Let's put AI sales rep here. You're going to select an agent. I selected demo AI sales rep. Select the general calendar here. And you're going to configure the outbound number. So I'm just going to select the phone number. And for inbound, you can use the same phone number. Okay. Inbound calls, outbound calls, it goes to the same number. And as I said, okay, it matches every single field automatically for you. So name, phone number, email, contact ID. And these are all the possible functions that will be available to your voice agent. So it can book appointments, get appointment details for clients that call, list appointments, reschedule, transfer calls to a human representative, get contact, all of that. Okay. Everything is set up. Once you're done checking these settings and everything is good, just hit create connection. And that's all you need to do. Okay. Once you hit create connection, it will appear over here. Okay. Actually, we might as well just do it right now, really quickly. So I'm going to put in the details once again, just so I can show you what it actually looks like. Okay. I'm going to hit here, create connection, so you can see what it looks like after the connection has been created. All right, so the connection has been created. You can see the agent name here, all the available tools, the calendar, the phone number, and it's currently active. So now you can make outbound calls, okay? But there's still one last part, which is actually configuring Retail AI to set up your AI sales rep, which I'm going to cover right now. Okay, so for Retail AI, this is where you're going to configure your AI voice agent that sounds human and books jobs for you. So for the voice, you can use like a female, friendly, natural speed voice. The script, I'll show you in a second, the script that I use, the prompt that I use. You're going to have it ask qualifying questions, adding a quote logic, and of course, adding a booking functionality to it. All right, so now let's move to Retail AI. This is the website. You can make a free account. You don't need to pay for this. You don't need to pay for the actual. You only need to pay for the actual minutes that you use for the actual voice agent, so it's free. But yeah, check a look. Take a look at the prompt here. So you're gonna first add guardrails and rules to your AI voice agent. Like never say words like prompt, rules, variables, functions, that type of stuff. Core principle, you're gonna add it. Identity role, you want to give it an identity and a role. You have to give it speech and flow rules, no awkward silence rules, time and time zone, mandatory, because it's not going to be able to book appointments correctly if you don't add this. Function policy, you have to add that. Contact initialization, and when to use every single function. By the way, the functions are over here. Okay, when we connected Simpana connector with Go Level and Retail, it imported every single one of these functions over here. So this is everything that your AI sales rep can do on the phone call. All right. Now, you're going to also want to add the steps to the call. So, step one, scope. Step two, ballpark range. Step three, interest check. Step four, address. Okay. Confirm. Step six, check slots. Eight, name the gate. Step nine, email. Step 10, book. And that's it. So, that's the full prompt. That's all you're going to need. And you can test it over here.
Hi, this is Grace with Enzo Lights. Did you request a quote for permanent lighting?
All right. So, if you need to test your agent, you can test it directly in here to see if it works correctly. It's very, very straightforward. So that's how it all works. Okay, just to do a quick recap of everything. Customer fills the form, workflow triggers, webhook, Simpana formats and sends the data to Retail AI. The AI calls in a few seconds. AI qualifies, provides a quote, it books the appointment, and the confirmation SMS gets sent to the lead, to the client, and you also get notifications. All right, so now you need to stop losing leads, start winning jobs, because every single minute you wait, your competitor is booking the job that you should have won otherwise. All right, so if you do need help building a system like this, because I know we've covered a lot and it goes a lot deeper than this, then I'm just going to leave a link in the bio. You can book a free consultation call with me. I'll see what I can help your business with, see where we can fit AI into your business, and that's it. That's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment, leave a sub, whatever. I'll see you in the next one.